So good afternoon all.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon,
Quiet in the
ma'am.
class.
I am fine, ma'am.
Okay, good. So when ma'am will call out your name, please tell me the answer by unmuting the device. Okay, and be quiet in the classroom. Okay. Then we are discussing today the place value. Last class we discussed place, and for a two-digit number we saw two places. We use two places, ones and tens. Today we are discussing place value. Last class we discussed places. Okay, we have ones and tens for a two-digit
Place
number.
and place value.
Okay, today we are discussing place value. Okay, now
Place and place value.
okay, be quiet. I will call out your name. That time you can tell me the answer. Okay, all of you please listen to me. Okay, today we are discussing place value. What I mean by this place value? Place value means the value represented by a digit in a number by its position. Okay, because of its position, the digit got some values. So that is known as the place value. I will explain with an example. Okay, so let me share the screen. So place value means the value represented by a digit in a number. The value represented by a digit in a number. I will explain with an example. All of you please listen to ma'am. Okay, we have the number 45. Okay, 45 is a two-digit number. 45 is a two-digit number having the digits 4 and 5. 45 is a two-digit number, okay, and the digits are 4 and 5. Now listen to ma'am, no need to write. I will say when you have to write. Let me explain what is place value, okay. So 45 is a two-digit number having the digits 4 and 5. Here we can see there are two places. One is the right place, okay. One is the right place and this is the left place. One is a right place and another one is a left place. So right place is known as ones. Right place is known as ones and left place is known as tens. Okay, and the place value. The place value. Place. Today we are discussing place value. The place value of 5. Place value of 5 is, see, the 5 is in the ones place. So the place value is 5 ones. Okay, 5 is in the ones place. So the place value is 5 ones. Then what about the number 4? The place value. Place value. Ah, very good, very good. The place value.
Place of 5 is equal 5 1.
The place value of 4. The place value of 4 is in the tens place. So the place value is 4 tens. Okay. So 45 is a two-digit number having digits 4 and 5. And the place value of 5 is 5 ones and the place value of 4 is 4 tens. Okay. Now I will ask one. Maithili, tell me one two-digit number. Maithili, tell me one two-digit number. Tell me one two-digit number.
45.
Maithili, tell me one two-digit number.
45. 34.
No, no. Any other number? We have numbers from 10 to 99. Any number. Any one number. Having two digits. Okay. Abhinav MP, tell me one two-digit number. Abhinav MP, tell me one two-digit number. Abhinav, please unmute.
25.
Okay, we have. Abhinav, can you say one two-digit number?
50. 25.
Okay, we have 25. We have 25. We know this is in the ones place, then digit is 5, and the tens place, the digit is 2. Okay, 5 is the ones place, and 2 is the tens place. Five is at ones place, 2 is at the tens place, and the place value of place value of 5. What is the place value of 5?
1.
5 is in the ones place. So we can write 5 ones. Okay. The place value of 2. The place value of 2.
This is my sister.
Okay. So we can write it is 2 10. 10. Now it is clear for you all? It is clear for you? So what is okay, what do you mean by place value? Place value means the value represented by a digit in a number. Tell me the value. Tell me. Repeat after me. Represented by a digit in a number. Once more we can say. Okay. The value represented by a digit in a number. Once again, the value represented by a digit in a number. Okay, on the basis of its position. Okay, if it is in one's position, that will be there, and if it is in a tens position, that is the position. Okay, tens position. Okay, so place value means the value represented by a digit in a number. Okay, the value represented by a digit in a number. You got it? What is place value? The value represented by a digit in a number. Okay? Can you say what is place value? Anyone, please raise your hand. I will help you. Malavika, tell me. I will help you. What do you mean by place value? The value represented by represented by a digit in a number. Okay, can you say once more? Okay, the value represented by a digit in a number. Very good, very good. Okay, now all of you here heard what is place value? The value represented by a digit in a number. Okay, now let me share the screen. Okay. Okay, okay. So all of you please take a rough book. Okay, take a rough book. Take a rough book. Okay. So now we can write together. Okay, we can write together. So we have notebook. No, if it is rough book is enough. Later you can write in the max notebook. No. So we have place. Rough book. Take a rough book. Take a rough book. Okay. Now you don't have the rough book. So which book you have, in that book you write. Okay. So we can write place value. PLACE, place value.
I'm writing.
Okay, you can start. Place value. PLACE, place value. VALUE. PLACE, VALUE, place value. PLACE, place value. VALUE, value. THE.
Ma'am.
Yes. THE. The.
Ma'am.
THE. The.
Ma'am, right?
Yes, we can start. Place value. PLACE. Place value. 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 Then we wrote the THE. The value. VALUE. The value. The value represented. 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 The value which is shown. Okay, the value represented by REPRESENTED represented. Take time and write. Okay. The value represented.
Value represented.
Represented.
Finish.
Okay, represented by
Finish.
by a digit. The value represented by a digit in a number. Represented by a digit in a number.
Number.
Represented by a digit in a number.
NBER.
The value represented by a digit in a number. Okay, now we can do some exercises. Okay, so below we can write WRITE, WRITE, write
WRITE.
right? THE, right? The THE, right? Can you say what will be the next word? What we are discussing now? Place value. So write the place value. PLACE, place value. VALUE. Write the place value. Write the place value.
Ma'am,
Yes. Write the place.
1 aircraft.
No, it is 1B. Write the place value of. Write the place value of the. Write the place value of the encircled. Yesterday we studied the same word, encircled. Encircled means something which is inside the circle. So here also one digit is inside the circle. So write the place value of the n circled. ENCIRCLED. N circle. Write the place value of the encircled digit. Write the place value of the encircled digit. ENCIRCLED. ENCIRCLED. Encircled digit. DIGIT. And we have the first number. And we have the first number. Digit. 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 Encircled digit. And we have the first number 24. And in the number 24, 4 is encircled. 4 is encircled. Write the place value of the encircled digit. Write the place value of the encircled digit. And we have the first question, that is A, 24. The number 24, 4 is encircled. So Rihan Hanifa, what is the answer? What is the place value of 4 in the number 24?
Ones place.
4 is in the ones place. So we can write 4 ones. 4 ones. If it is only place, we can write only once. If it is place value, here it is place value. So we have to write 4 ones. That digit also we have to include in the answer. Okay? That digit also we have to include in the answer. So we have the next one. We have next question. We have B. We have B. Sukirti completed the first one. Yes? Okay. Shall I move to the next one? And we have the next number 50. 50. And the digit which is inside the circle is 5. 5.
Tens.
So, Anna Catherine, what is the answer? The number 55 is encircled. So, what is the answer?
10.
Very good. We have 5 tens. The answer is 5 tens. Then we have the C. C. And the number is 46. The number is 46. And the encircled digit is 6. Srutakirti, what is the answer? 46. The 6 is inside the circle. What is the place value of 6? What is the place value of 6?
One.
It is in ones place. So what is the place value? 6 ones. Not only one, you have to say 6 ones. 6 ones. 6 ones. Then we have D. And the number is 50. And the digit which is inside the circle is 1. 1. Marin, Justin, tell me the answer. Marin, please unmute the device and tell me the answer. In 15, 1 is inside the circle. It is encircled.
110.
Very good. It is
110.
10. Here only 110. So we can write 110. 110. So next we have E. Next we have E. And we have the number 37. We have the number 37. And the digit which is inside the circle is 7.
7.
Ibak, Aisha, Rhea, Karthik, please. Ibak, Rhea, Aisha, Rhea.
7.
Okay. 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 Now let me ask Karthik. Karthik, tell me the answer, Karthik. What is the answer?
7.
It is
7.
7 ones. 7 ones. The answer is 7 ones. Then we have F. Then we have F. And the number is 93. And the digit which is inside the circle is 9.
9. 10.
Good.
10. 9 and 10.
Okay. Abhinav, are you writing? Okay, continue. Okay, right. Aisha, what is the answer, Aisha? 93. 9 is encircled. What is the place value of 9 in the number 93?
9 and 10.
Very good. So we have 9 tens.
T-E-N-S.
Good. T-E-N-S. Tens. 9 tens. Then we have G.
G2.
The number is 68. The number is 68. And the digit which is inside the circle is 8. Digit which is inside the circle is 8.
1. 8 is 1.
Very good. We have the answer. 8
Once.
8 ones. 8 ones. Sarah completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sarah, did you completed the G question?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Complete.
Okay, very good. So we will move to the next one. H. We have H. Good, Jewel Maria. Good. Okay, so we have the number 77. Both the digits are same. Okay, we have the number 77. Here both the digits are same and this 7 is inside the circle.
Ma'am, 7 ones.
Very good. Write the answer.
7 is ones.
Very good. We have the answer. Prarthana, what is the answer? Unmute and tell me the answer. Prarthana.
Ones. 7 ones.
Very good. 7 ones.
7
ones.
ones.
7 ones.
O-N-E-S.
O-N-E-S. Ones. 7 ones. So what do you mean by place value? The value represented by a digit in a number. The value represented by a digit in a number based on its position. Okay, based on its position. Okay, now. So next we are going to write the number and number name. We completed up to 80 last day. So today we are going to write 81 to 90. Okay, we are going to write 81 to 90. Okay. Hayan, what is the spelling of 80? Please unmute. What is the spelling of 80? Hayan, please unmute the device. What is the spelling of 80? Yes, yes, you can continue.
EIGHT.
E-I. Y. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. So numbers 81 to 90. Then you can continue. So we have 81. Then we have 82. Numbers 81 to 90. So E-I-G-H-T-Y. 81.1. Then you can continue up to 90. Karthik, are you writing? So we have the next number 82. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 82. T-W-O. T-W-O. 2. Anmia, please unmute. Anmia, please unmute. What is Anmia Regal? Please unmute. Okay. What is the meaning of 80? What is the meaning of 80? Anmia? It's one ear. Next we have 83. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 83. T-H-R-E-E. Then 84. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 84. F-O-U-R. 84. So next we have 85. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 5. F-I-V-E. 85. Eighty-five. 85. Then we have 86. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 86. S-I-X. S-I-X. 6. $87. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 87. S-E-V-E-N. 87. Nashatra, are you writing? So we have 87, 88, T-I-G-H-T-Y, 88, E-I-G-H-T, 88. Megdarsh, what happened?
Ma'am, Marin finished.
Good, good, very good. Megdarsh, take time and you have enough time. You write. Once you completed, very good. Be quiet. Now we have the next number 89. I-G-H-T-Y, 89, N-I-N-E,
I'm finished, ma'am. Complete.
9. And we have the next number 90. The spelling N-I-N-E, 9, T-T-Y, 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90. By this, I'm going to wind up the session today. Okay. So next class we will discuss about the place value chart. Next class we will discuss place value chart. Okay. So it's clear to you all know the place value. Yeah.
Thank you, teacher.
So let me wind up.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.